Meet Fred. Fred has a virtual dog training business. Fred is looking for new ways to grow his business, but is continuously bogged down with scheduling and chasing down payments. Fred asked his friends about ways he could spend less time organizing and more time training, and discovered a new how-to marketplace for people seeking expert advice on just about anything: bitlively. bitlively is an all-in-one one-to-one video coaching platform that connects experienced coaches to learners willing to pay for their professional services. Fred simply created a free coach's profile, set his rate and schedule, sent out his custom bitlively URL, and connected with learners who paid Fred to help them with their dog training needs. With more time, Fred got more clients and grew his business and increased his income. Join free today. Stop wasting time on the little things. bitlively.